We all want to enjoy our golden years to the fullest. Eating delicious food is part of that. As we get older, our bodies change. Our digestion can slow down a bit. That doesn't mean we have to give up on enjoying our meals. It just means we need to give our gut a little extra love. Let's face it, things aren't quite the same as they used to be. Sometimes our stomachs feel a bit off. We might experience constipation or indigestion. These are common issues as we get older, but don't worry, there are simple ways to combat these problems. Smoothies are a fantastic way to get all the nutrients your body needs. They are easy to digest and super tasty. Blending fruits, vegetables and other healthy ingredients makes them gentle on your stomach. Plus, you can pack in loads of fibre, which is essential for good digestion. Section 4. Berry, good for your belly smoothie. This delightful smoothie is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your digestive system. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants and fibre, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. The vibrant colours of the berries are not just visually appealing, but also indicate the presence of various phytonutrients. It's like a party in a glass for your gut. Ingredients. Let's dive into the ingredients that make this smoothie so special. Half a cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries and raspberries. These berries are not only delicious but also loaded with vitamins and minerals. 1 small banana, which adds natural sweetness and a creamy texture to the smoothie. Half a cup of plain yogurt. Yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics, which are essential for maintaining a healthy gut flora. A quarter cup of water. This helps in blending all the ingredients smoothly and ensures the right consistency. Instructions. Now, let's move on to the preparation. First, wash and chop the berries. It's important to clean them thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides, then peel and slice the banana. This makes it easier to blend and ensures a smooth texture. Add all the ingredients to a blender. Blend until smooth. Make sure to blend it well so that all the ingredients are fully incorporated, giving you a creamy and delicious smoothie. Benefits. Let's talk about the amazing benefits of this smoothie. Berries are full of fibre and antioxidants, which are great for digestion and overall health. The fibre helps in maintaining regular bowel movements, while the antioxidants protect your cells from damage. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps regulate digestion. Potassium is also crucial for maintaining proper muscle function and fluid balance in the body. Yogurt contains probiotics, which are good bacteria that promote gut health. These probiotics help in improving digestion, boosting the immune system, and even enhancing mood. So, enjoy this berry good for your belly smoothie and give your gut the love it deserves. Section 5. Tropical delight for digestion. Imagine yourself on a sun-kissed beach, the waves gently lapping at the shore, and a refreshing smoothie in hand. This isn't just any smoothie. It's a tropical delight designed to support your digestive health. This smoothie transports you to a sunny beach while aiding your digestion. Let's dive into the ingredients that make this drink both delicious and beneficial for your gut. First up, we have half a cup of chopped pineapple. Pineapple is not only sweet and tangy, but also packed with bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and aids in digestion. Next, we add half a cup of chopped mango. Mangoes are rich in fibre and contain digestive enzymes that help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Then pour in half a cup of coconut water. Coconut water is incredibly hydrating and loaded with electrolytes, making it a perfect addition to this tropical blend. Don't forget a quarter cup of chopped spinach. You might be surprised, but you won't even taste it. Spinach is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, which can help alleviate constipation. Now, let's get to the fun part. First, chop the pineapple and mango into small, manageable pieces. Then, combine all the ingredients in a blender. Make sure to add the pineapple, mango, coconut water and spinach. Blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. The result is a vibrant green smoothie that's as tasty as it is nutritious. Let's talk about the benefits. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion by breaking down proteins in your stomach. Mangoes are not just delicious, they're also a good source of fiber and digestive enzymes, which help in maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Coconut water is not only refreshing but also hydrating. It contains essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help maintain fluid balance in your body. Lastly, spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, which can help with constipation and keep your digestive system in check. So the next time you're craving something tropical and beneficial for your gut, whip up this smoothie and enjoy a taste of paradise while supporting your digestive health. Section 6. Green Machine for Gut Health. Welcome to a journey of revitalizing your gut health with a delicious and nutritious smoothie. Don't let the vibrant green color fool you. This smoothie is not only surprisingly delicious, but also a powerhouse for your gut. Let's dive into the ingredients that make this drink so special. You'll need 1 cup of fresh spinach, half a cucumber and half a green apple. These ingredients are packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Additionally, you'll need half a cup of water to help blend everything smoothly. And don't forget 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, adding a boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids to your smoothie. Now, let's move on to the instructions. First, make sure to thoroughly wash and chop the spinach, cucumber and apple. Washing your produce is crucial to remove any dirt or pesticides that might be lingering on the surface. Next, combine all the ingredients in a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. This should take about 1-2 minutes depending on the power of your blender. Now let's talk about the benefits of each ingredient. Spinach is rich in fiber and magnesium, both of which are beneficial for digestion. Fiber helps to keep things moving smoothly through your digestive tract, while magnesium helps to relax the muscles in your gut, preventing cramps and discomfort. Cucumber is high in water content, which helps to keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, as it helps to soften stool and prevent constipation. Green apple contains pectin, a type of soluble fiber that aids digestion by promoting the growth of good bacteria in your gut. This can help to improve your overall gut health and boost your immune system. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, promoting regularity and helping to keep your digestive system running smoothly. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce inflammation in your gut. So, blend up this green machine and give your gut the love it deserves. Section 7. Sip, savor, and feel great. These smoothies are so easy to make and even easier to enjoy. Start your day with one, or have it as a healthy snack. Your gut will thank you for it. And remember, a happy gut means a happier you.